Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Maryam and today I am going to talk about the informal labor in Pakistan. So, what is an informal economy and what is informal labor? So, we will start with the informal economy. The informal economy in Pakistan is large where workers have limited access to labor welfare services. The Labor Force Survey 2017 to 2018 states that the informal sector accounts for 71% of the employment. The informal economy is the diversified set of economic activities like enterprises, jobs, workers that are not regulated or protected by the state. The concept originally applied to self-employment in small unregistered enterprises. It has been expanded to include wages, employment in unprotected jobs. The informal economy in Pakistan has been about 30% of the total economy. Currently, about 20% of the economic transactions are taking place in the informal sector. These economies may include garment workers working from their homes, as well as the informal employee personnel and formal enterprises. Major occupations in the informal sectors are include home-based workers such as dependent subcontract with pay workers, independent producers and unpaid workers in family businesses. In some parts of the world, women are working in informal sector often work as domestic workers like beauticians, vendors, garment workers, construction workers as well as. Millions of workers in Pakistan garment industries suffer abuse and labor rights violations. A job in the informal sector reduces poverty about as much as the job in the formal sector. In the aggregate, earnings from the job in the informal sector play a small role in reducing national poverty rates. It along with it have some major issues which are pay less, minimum wages, little or no job securities, unprotected by labor laws, no pensions, difficult to meet any saving due to low labor wages, and no worker safety. In informal labor, there is no safety measures, there is no protection applied for the informal labor. Laborers are the backbone of the economy. But the problem of these poor labor, minimum wage workers remain unsolved.
जून के महीने में आग की भट्टी पर लोहा पिघलाना कोई आम बात नहीं। ऐसा करने के लिए फौलाद का जिस्म चाहिए। 1700 डिग्री पर दहकने वाली अंगीठी पर एक मजदूर 12 घंटे काम करता है। लोहे के पुर्जे उठा कर भट्टी में डालता है। पिघले हुए लोहे को भट्टी से निकालकर सांचों में डालता है। हर रोज 12 घंटे 30 दिन तक ऐसा करने के बाद इसे सिर्फ इतने पैसे मिलते हैं कि वो बामुश्किल अपने खानदान का पेट पाल सके।
All these images show the informal sector and informal labor. So let's have a broader understanding of it. According to International Labour Organization, transition from the informal to the formal economy recommendation 2015 are recommendation 2 from ILO provides guidance to members facilitate the workers and economic units while respecting workers, and number 2 is promote the creation, preservation and sustainability of enterprises. Number 3 is prevent the informalization of formal economy jobs. For the purpose of this recommendation, economic units in the informal economy include units that employ hired labor, units that are owned by individual working on their own accounts. So I will end of this topic with the hope of better future for the informal sector. So thank you so much. That's all for today.